today we're gonna draw a fairy. So let's get started. First, we're gonna draw fairy's head. It's gonna be a round circle. Now, here, we're gonna draw this. This is gonna be her head, like the thing that you can put on your head with flowers. This, and then we're gonna draw a swirl inside. Now we're gonna draw another flower. It's gonna be like this. A little leaf. Then another flower. And a circle inside. Now I'm gonna draw the face. And her mouth. And her nose. Now we're gonna draw her hair. We're gonna draw this. And like that. Now we're gonna Now we're gonna draw her neck. 2 lines. And we're gonna draw like this. So this is the part where we can do like, and those are gonna be flowers. Like this. This is gonna be her hand. We're gonna draw this and this. Other side. This and this. Her arms are like this because she's pouring into a rock. We're gonna draw the rock. Now, we're behind the hair, we're gonna draw a wing. and another wing, and the other side. Like this. Now we're gonna draw more in the back wings. Like this. Now it's time to color. First, I'm gonna color the wings. I'm gonna get golden. You can color it however you want. You don't have to follow me. First, to not go out of the lines, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go round and round and round. And now we're gonna color it. And the same color, we're gonna color this inside of the flowers. But not all of the flowers. Gonna do it on the other one and color it. And on the nether wing. Like this. Now we're gonna put it back. Her dress, it's gonna be green. You can choose the color you want. Wait. Actually, I wanted to draw this. Yeah. Now we're gonna get a little bit darker green and do some lines on the dress. Like that. You can draw the stripes how you want. Now I'm gonna color her headband. You can pick the colors you want. This flower I'm gonna color pink. The next flower I'm gonna color this kind of color. The leaves, I'm going to color this color. You can color it however you want. Like that. Now I'm gonna get red to color the rose. And I'm gonna get this color and color this one. And this flower is gonna be this color. And my last flower is going to be orange. Now we're gonna color the hair. My hair is gonna be brown. Wait, we didn't color the wings properly. I can see some white spots. You can use a color you want. This picture. Oh wait, I forgot to draw the cheeks. Cheeks are gonna be like that. Gonna get red and color the cheeks. Now I'm gonna get yellow. Color these things. And this, what is inside the flowers. Now it's time to color the flowers. Now we're gonna get this color and this color. If you want, you can get the colors you want. So first I'm gonna color it with this. And then with this. First, then with this. And then with this. Like that. And we're gonna get gray for the rock. like that. And the last color we're gonna get out peach for the color of the fairy. You can use brown skin or even red, however you want. Thanks for joining my channel. Bye. My name was Selena. Let's draw with Selena.